Hi everyone, it's Ruth from See My Curls. Thank you for joining me on this video. So in this video, I am packing a really big order for an amazing customer, and so she has ordered 2 large 1 litre DCC, which is the detangler cleanser conditioner, and she has also ordered 2 rich cleansers, 300 mils, and a hair milk scented, and a hair gel. I think is the medium hair gel. And then I have also included I've included a free sample of Curl Styler. So yeah, normally what I do after I have made, obviously, and put the products in the containers, I put the lids on, obviously, and then move on to doing the shrink wrap, and this is what they look like after they are done. And yeah, it is quite a lovely warm temperature with the shrink wrap. Anyway, so the next one, I was trying to find the right box, and obviously this one was a bit too small, so I moved on to one of my other boxes. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the bubble wrap on it. And the reason why I'm doing a bubble wrap on this particular one is because if I just put it in with the peanuts, it's not going to be quite secure, and I just wanted to give it that extra protection, so I've gone ahead and used the bubble wrap. Normally I don't, I just use my recyclable peanut packaging. So yeah, I've just done that, and then I'm going to put it in the box. It's a pretty big box, so it's fantastic. It's got lots of space and room for the products to be secure and yet protected. So that's what I've done, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the box. Then you also see I have business cards, and I have a thank you card as well, and I include all that in there, and then the how to use the products, and you see that in here. So yeah, this one is a very easy process, nice and simple. And yeah, so if you have any questions at all on how to which products to use for your wavy, curly, coily and locks, be sure to contact me via my website info@seemycurls.com.au, or you can jump on social, whether by FB, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. You can find me there and be in contact with me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me here, and I know this amazing customer is going to love all the products. She's a repeated customer, and I am so grateful to have such awesome customers. All right, you have an awesome day wherever you are in Australia or around the world, and I will see you soon. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And thank you so much. You have an awesome day. Bye for now.